This is fantastic. You can cool off, enjoy, and this hot weather make it super nice.
How's it feel to be kayaking the Lower Kings River?
It's refreshing. I want to buy a bike. There's been e-bikes where, yeah.
So how do you like the Kings River?
I love it. It's great to get out in the water.
Yeah.
Hopefully we won't. You know, last time I heard somebody was on the river, they died, but I think we're pretty good. So.
Thanks, Mark.
Right past there, that's where they died back there.
Did you see?
Crazy bros getting epic, bro. So is anybody ready to do a canyon this year? Yeah. What was that? Pittman? It's also like I've only did Pittman once. Somebody from the engineering club. So I already watched. I'm like, oh, fuck. When we went rode 30 miles last weekend, did you take video? What place is it?
Something's floating in the water. I hope that's not important. It's almost like a pump. What happened?
I had a little swimmer going on there.
You swam?
Huh?
You swam?
No,
Oh. I was wondering, that's kind of a wobbly boat for this stuff. Surprised he wanted to do the hard stuff. I couldn't get it. It's off in those bushes.
Which bushes?
Way in those bushes over on the other side. I was over here. There was no way I could get it in time. Maybe I should put my skirt on. You got your pump?
Huh?
You got your pump?
Oh, hell yeah. Thank you. $50. $50 please. Hey, river pumps are expensive. You want to buy them?
Feel this. What happened, Gary? What happened?
There's a new channel that started. And
Really?
there's 3 at the bottom.
Uh-oh. Come here.
Long ways back there.
stranded. Is this the old dock here? Someone's attempt?
He just recovered. Frank, you just take a break. You got it.
All right, Larry, let's see how you do this. I can get my kayak around. Okay.
Just need a couple of good friends.
Gary!
No, no. No.
He said good friends.
What? You want me to let go?
No, pull.
Okay, pull. It's stuck. It's stuck. You ain't going in.
There we go. That's good.
They were trying.
If you just hold it.
I'm holding it. Here, Gary, go. You just get out. Come on, hurry. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
A little Libra girlfriend will help that Nancy, please. Whoa, whoa, easy, easy.
I thought it was going down.
This is why Larry wants a dock at the bottom.
Getting out of the water like that. That's how I felt.